This is Dr. Derek Virgl with Becker Chiropractic, and today we're going to talk about lower neck, upper back tension. And this is something we commonly see in our office, just given what we're commonly doing in our society these days. We're on our computers a ton, we're on our phones, moms are carrying their little children, women are carrying purses, and people just tend to carry a lot of stress in this area. And now there's two big main muscles that kind of run that area called the trap muscle and the levator scapulae. And so today I'm going to demonstrate a stretch that I commonly give to my patients suffering with this tension. And so now what's great about this stretch is it's one stretch with subtle variations that stretch both of those big muscles there. So I'm just going to show it here on my right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let my right arm hang to the side here, and I'm going to take my left hand around my back. I'm going to grab the wrist of my right hand there. And so that's all I'm doing there. I'm going to relax it for now. And now I'm going to take my left ear to my left shoulder. So we go that way, and I'm going to keep my left ear at my left shoulder, and then I'm going to look to the ground. And so now I'm going to go ahead and tug down on my right hand, and I'm going to really feel that stretch. I'm going to hold that for 20 seconds, and once that 20 count is hit, I'm going to go back to neutral, relax my arm, no longer tugging, and now I'm going to go ahead and take my left ear to my left shoulder once more, and now I'm going to turn and look to the ceiling. I'm going to tug my right wrist again. I'm going to feel that stretch for 20 seconds, and I'm going to relax. And now sometimes people aren't able to reach their arms around the back to get that wrist tug, and that's okay. So on the left side, I'm going to show what I would do in that situation if I couldn't get my arm around the back. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to take my right hand onto my left shoulder, and I'm going to take my right ear to my right shoulder, and then I'm going to look to the ground. And now that I'm here, I'm going to press down with my right hand onto my left shoulder. I'm going to feel that stretch, 20 seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and reset, relax the pressure here. And I'm going to take my right ear to my right shoulder once more. We're going to look to the ceiling, and now we're going to take our right hand, press down on our left shoulder, 20 seconds. And that's how we stretch through those big muscles of the shoulder and the neck.